Presidential Decree number 603 deals with offenders whose age is less than 9 but under 18 at the time of the commission of an offense. A. Habitual. B. Professional. C. Minor. D. Adult. Answer C. Minor. The best measure for the competence of a police officer is A. Command of word. B. High level of education. C. Ability to make good reports. D. High moral. Answer D. High moral. Absence of a complaining victim in the typology of crime is classified as public order crime or A. Crimes against person. B. Victimless crime. C. Physical crime. D. Public scandal. Answer B. Victimless crime. There is a trend in criminal activities which was studied that as one grows older, there is also a decline in criminal activities. This is known as A. Aging out phenomenon. B. Age line curve. C. Parkinson's law. D. Age-crime relationship. Answer A. Aging out phenomenon. There are 4 inspections and audit authorities that conduct agency checks on the PNP. They are the NAPOLCOM, Civil Service Commission, Commission on Audit, and A. NBI, B. IAS of the PNP, C. DOJ, D. Presidential Management Staff. Answer B. IAS of the PNP. Appeals from the decision given by the Chief PNP regarding a case are filed with the A. PNP Summary Disciplinary Board, B. People's Law Enforcement Board, C. NAPOLCOM National Affiliate Board, D. NAPOLCOM Regional Affiliate Board. Answer C. NAPOLCOM National Affiliate Board. A strange development of mutual feeling between the hostage and hostage taker due to the prolonged time of negotiation is known as A. Camaraderie, B. Stockholm Syndrome, C. Successful negotiation, D. Sympathy. Answer B. Stockholm Syndrome. The law that provides care and treatment of youthful offenders from apprehension to the termination of the case is A. RA 7610, B. PD 603, C. PD 6975, D. RA 6425. Answer B. PD 603. It is the unwritten authority given to police officers to make decisions using one's own judgment based on justice and fairness. A. Negotiation, B. Discretion, C. Arraignment, D. Plea bargaining. Answer B. Discretion. When PNP members and their families involve themselves in religious, social, and civic activities in the community, it enhances, which will work well for the image of the police. Answer B. Social awareness.